With the Teleskid, being able to reach, it's a lot more versatile. When I'm grading and stuff like that, I constantly use it. Loading the dump trucks, for instance, you know, you can raise it up and do it all at the same time while you're dumping, and then come back down all in one motion. I do things faster. It's more convenient. Say if you have a bush hog on the end of it and you're cutting. With the Teleskid, you can pretty much stay on top and just extend it out all the way to the water and bring it back to you. When I'm cutting driveways, you know, when I'm getting up close to the garage, I can kind of stay back, extend the Teleskid at the boom out, and then pull the dirt back to me. You come across the area that's a little muddy. And with a normal skid steer, say if it's a big enough area, you have to get the skid steer in it. Well, with the Teleskid, you don't have to worry about getting the tracks in it. You can just reach out, retract it back to you and slick it off and do what you got to do without actually getting in and disturbing it more than it already is. Saves a lot of time,